The object of this video is to provide a brief overview of the features of the Accessibility Evaluation Toolbar that was developed by the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. First of all, I've already installed the evaluation toolbar as seen up on top here, but if you don't have it, go to the Tools menu in Mozilla and do a search for the Accessibility Evaluation Toolbar, and then add it to Firefox. Add the add-on to Firefox. Once you have it, what you can do is use the toolbar to provide information on how to improve the accessibility of your department website. For example, in this case, this is our department website. I'm in the process of repairing our own website. But what you can do is quickly provide yourself with a report on the accessibility issues for any one page by going to the Reports button up here and clicking on Accessibility Issues. A dialog window will come up and it will give you what failures or warnings that you have. And you can use these buttons down here at the bottom to move to the issue. The rationale will direct you to the best practices web page that explains the issue. You can have it open a new window that will provide you an overview or a summary of these same issues. If you repair an issue on a particular page, you can just hit refresh and it'll refresh it to see if you've repaired any of the issues. The data dump will actually dump a larger report on the one page with all of it spelt out and several issues in length or more detail. The second button, the navigation button, will provide you issues that are related to the navigation of your web page. You can actually go to these and test your title, whether it matches your heading 1. The headings itself, you can click on that and it will bring you up a dialog box, and you can see whether your headings are properly nested. And it will actually highlight the heading as you're going through it, and you can move directly to it. And you can go through each one of these for issues related to image maps, links, forms, data tables, and things like that. The third button, the text equivalent button, actually will give you a list of images, abbreviation, objects, different things that might cause problems with the accessibility issues. You can hide inline images, background images, things like that. The scripting button provides information on the ARIA information if you have any dynamic content. Focus, the inspector, actually shows how a screen reader would focus on your areas of your website and whether the focus is directed properly through it. You can disable scripting, disable mouse events. The style button actually will provide you information on color contrast and text and some of the tables and lists that you have. The tables, you can use it to actually get some information about your tables, summaries, things like that. The validators actually points out to all the HTML and CSS validators to check your code. The Tools button actually points out to several other web accessibility evaluators, like University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign's Functional Accessibility Evaluator, WebAIM Wave, Cynthia Says, and some other ones. The keyboard button also provides, you can tell it to enable keyboards so that you can see focus through how keyboard enhancements might work through a web page. And then the options page is just some different options that you might set so that the accessibility menu can be shown in the menu or not. You can turn that on and off. So that's about it for the Accessibility Evaluator. Hope you